What I would like to do next is to get the current time and replace the fixed time here. This is because I don't want to have all the schedule run at the same time. If I do, then maybe the computer freezes because of all disk activity. I will have to use variables for this. What we want to do is to get the current time and replace it with the fixed time here. And we do that by using variables. So let's see how a variable works. This will set the variable named VAR to 1836 and then echo that to the screen. So if we run this, we get the output 1836. To get the current time, we can use the time variable. But there is a problem with that. We have the time in 4 numbers or 4 groups. If we print this out to the screen, we get seconds and hundredths of a second. There is a way to get around this. You can use the command time with the flag T and you get the short time here. The problem is you can't type like this. It will not execute this command. It will display it as it is. To make this work, we have to write a complicated line, but I will explain how it works. First we use the for command with the flag F, and we set tokens equals to wildcard. As of default, each token is a string, not including space character. This is the first token, second token, and the third token. If I use the wildcard, it means it will include all the spaces between the tokens. So that information is put in this variable A, and in the for command we have to use 2 person characters. The in instruction tells the for command to parse between this and this. So it will parse this string, and this string will be executed, and the result of that will be set to the A variable, and the A variable will be assigned to my time. And now we can get the short time format. Okay, let's see if this works. So we have no AT scheduled task, and we double click, and we have a new job, and we click refresh, and we will get 11:25 p.m. Western time. And for some strange reason I see European time here. Now let's work with xcopy. This will copy the file used as an argument to c:\myBackup. You can read more about the flags I use here, but this is set so it copies as much as possible. If you don't use these flags, it can, for example, ignore hidden files, and I want this script to copy everything. So I double click install, and I have MyBackup.bat copied now to send to folder. I have my backup folder in the desktop, so I can now choose the send to menu item and my backup. And here it tells that it's copied 1 file. So let's say I have a folder and a file in that folder, and I choose send to my backup. Will it work? Well, I think there is a problem here. It should work, but we have to see what it is.